Alright, so I am going to hide everything except for the one piece that I'm working on. And that way we could explain some architectural nomenclature. Okay, so in Rhino, this is a perspective view that gives us a three-dimensional view of the object or the building. And this right now is considered a building. It has stairs, it has floors, it has doors, it has windows. Yes? Yes. So when we look at the top view is this guy right here, right? Top view of a building is called a roof plan because, we're looking down like a bird, like looking at the roof. The side views are called elevations. So this front view and right view is an elevation. In Rhino, the front view is always looking at your XZ coordinate. Okay, so if you look over here at the C plane, where this red axis line is, we're looking this way. And that is actually looking at this face right here, right? This face right over here. Oh, that face right there is what we're looking at. Okay? So that view, oops, is this front. This right view, according to our icon here, is looking at this side. And that would be called the east elevation, only because if this is north right here, that must be south, this must be east, this must be west. Yes? So we got north, got south, west, and east, the cardinal points of the compass. Okay? Right view is your east view. If you ever want the other side, you will come over to the pull down and say set view. What's the opposite of right? It is left. And that gets us to this side right here. Okay? And likewise, the front view, we could change it to set view back. And that gets us to this view back here. Okay? So we have the north elevation, we have the west elevation, and we have the right elevation. The right elevation, not the correct elevation. We have the right elevation, which is our east, and we have our front elevation, which should be the south elevation. Okay? So whenever you want to create a elevation drawing, you're going to have to go to like these right views, left views, right views, left views, and so on and so on. Top view is always for your roof, and the perspective is just something that we could see this in 3D. Okay? Likewise, why do we call this the south view, the east view, west view, or west elevation and such? If we go ahead and look at, let's say, a map, we have the north, we have the south, we have east, we have west. Okay, let's go deep into our building, the Mount Sac building right there, and let's go to a photo view. Get closer and is. So when I'm looking at this building, this top view right here, we said that the cardinal points are the north, south, east, and west. Okay, so as I'm looking at this thing, I am looking at I'm standing on this side looking north. So the common mistake is that this is the north elevation. In fact, we're standing on the south side of the building. So as we are standing on the south side of the building right here, this whole south side is called the south elevation. Not because we're looking at the north, towards the north, that it's the north elevation, but we're standing on the south side. So whenever we get confused, I believe all you have to do is draw a compass on this thing and say that this is the south side, this is the east side, this is the north side, this is the west side, and name your elevation that way. So in the same manner, if I take this guy right here, and I should have probably put this closer to the C-plane, the x axis right here is the south side. So in the top view, that's the south side, that's the north side, so this is the south elevation. East elevation, north elevation, west elevation. Okay.